Kanong Aikitien jong ke US State Department lani jong ke Amerika ke Tammy Bruce haka arab khandai tarik uyayong arajar pesan kalami syakmat bani kren bekilat patai Khubor kaba kalaong ke US kadang bud dian bahaya ke jingi kan at kemenang jur pedang ke Pakistan bagi India pat ban benrap ban ong banakali yang ke US kadang kren beki sorka jong pro artli kiri haki kerdan beper-per kala pentep bau US Secretary of State Marco Rubio unsai keren beki nomi kemat ke India bat Pakistan hadian ke jingjor ke jingi kan at pedang kini ki artli kiri bat baka US kadang ye kendo alyang mamla ban ong yaki bakim dei ban Pynheh bat penjor ya ke Jinglong Jingman laong Rubio udang pensluru yaki wei bat ki menteri bari bakin ye keren bakini kiri koman chpentep ke jingi dei kala khamba pedang ke India ba ke Pakistan hendai kala zang ban ken at biang hadian ke jingsha thambor ka bashir khai hakatayo bladep Kashmir hakabakil leno kila penyap ya arpun ringot kinong le jongok kai pertai ka New Delhi ka ong bakate ka jingyar thma ka de ka balaya palat shopot de ka Islamabad kala penjangail de na ka de jingsha thambor da ka pen pau ya ka jingso khya ba terwa bani trelang bar ka jing toket balaj lo halor ka de jingsha thambor ka India kala pensange no ya ka jingete kular bani sam ka blane ki posnam ka Indus Waters Treaty ya ka ba ka Pakistan kala penrempat ya ka ni ka jingle ka India ki artli kiri kila khangru ya ki jakaya kejat kaput bat kila penduru ya ke jinge dei parari.
The Secretary also gave me a note about that as well, sir. So we are reaching out regarding the Kashmir situation, India and Pakistan, that he said we are reaching out to both parties and telling, of course, them to not escalate the situation. The Secretary expects to speak with the foreign ministers of Pakistan and India as early as today or tomorrow. He is encouraging other national leaders, other foreign ministers, to also reach out to the countries on this issue. So it is, again, as I've noted, every day action is being taken. In this case, the Secretary speaking directly to his counterparts in India and Pakistan, and we expect certainly the impact he's usually had with the individuals he's spoken with, and certainly with President Trump's leadership, India and Pakistan, having those conversations. It's very important for them.
Page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingman toy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya